О, полетел.
Ukrainians are terrifying Russians on their side of the border with the use of jet-powered drones. Ukrainian forces mounted an attack into Russia's Belgorod Oblast utilizing jet-powered drones. These drones are effectively low-cost cruise missiles, present a serious new challenge to Russian air defenses. Maybe British-made Banshee Jet 80 kamikaze jet drones?
О, полетел. Еще один беспилотник.
Глянь, как вираж закладывает.
Ukrainian artillery and cluster bombs decimated Russian unit east of Berdichi in Donetsk region. Russia is carrying out illegal chemical attacks on Ukrainian soldiers, writes The Telegraph. Russian troops are carrying out a systematic campaign of illegal chemical attacks against Ukrainian soldiers, according to a Telegraph investigation. The Telegraph spoke to a number of Ukrainian soldiers deployed in positions across the front line who detailed how their positions have been coming under near daily attacks from small drones, mainly dropping tear gas, but also other chemicals. The use of such gas, which is known as CS and commonly used by riot police, is banned during wartime under the Chemical Weapons Convention. IHR, the commander of a Ukrainian reconnaissance team who is deployed near the frontline city of Chasiv Yar in Donetsk region, told The Telegraph, "Nearly every position in our area of the front was getting 1 or 2 gas grenades dropped on them a day. Even when not lethal or immediately incapacitating, these gas attacks usually cause panic. Their first instinct is to get out," IHR said. They can then be attacked with more conventional weapons. Mikhailo, the commander of an infantry unit deployed in Robotyne, in Zaporizhia region, where a Russian offensive is currently underway, said, "Gas masks saved more than one of our lives." Slava, a senior lieutenant whose unit is deployed near Lyman in Donetsk region, said some Ukrainian units in his area were coming under almost daily gas attacks. One of these CS gas grenades was provided to The Telegraph for verification by Rebecca Makiarovsky, an American combat medic and a qualified nurse serving in the Ukrainian army. Mark Michael Blum, a chemical weapons expert and former head of the Organization for the Prohibition of Chemical Weapons Laboratory, confirmed the recovered munition was a K-51 gas grenade, which are typically filled with tear gas. Ms. Makiarowski said that she attended one incident last year caused by what she suspected was hydrogen cyanide, a deadly, colorless gas used as a chemical weapon by the West in the First World War. A Russian drone dropped 2 munitions containing an unknown gas that had a crushed almond aroma on soldiers in Donetsk region, she said. 2 people were killed and 12 required hospital treatment. There have also been reports of the use of chlorine and chloropicrin, a substance typically used as a pesticide that was deployed by the Germans as a chemical weapon in the First World War. The Russians have made little effort to conceal their use of chemical attacks. The Black Sea Fleet's 810th Naval Infantry Brigade boasted about the deployment of chemical weapons in a post on Telegram in December, posting a video of what it claimed were K-51 gas grenades being dropped on Ukrainian positions. Similarly, a news report aired on the Russian state television station Channel 1 in May 2023 contained explicit discussion of the issue. One Russian soldier said, "The enemy decided that using gas masks would help. The gas masks don't help." Officially, the Ukrainian military has claimed that 626 gas attacks have been carried out by Russian forces since the start of the full-scale invasion. Local residents film one of the moments of a dam breaking in Orsk and rejoice. I don't know how to comment it.
Основное что?
Russian media report that water continues to rise in Orenburg region, Russia. They warn that the flood may come to Kurgan and Tyumen regions as well. The dam in Orsk was built 10 years ago and cost almost 1 billion rubles. Already during construction, there have been issues with increasing the amount of work to be paid for. It means that budget money was wasted. The dam itself was not designed for the level of water that was declared during its construction. At the International Genocide Fair in Warsaw, they demanded a full EU embargo on trade with the Russian Federation. During the Theater of the Absurd, activists wore masks of world leaders. Orban, Lukashenko, Putin, Trump, Ursula von der Leyen, Tusk, Kim Jong-un, who sold Russian goods, gas, coal, grain, samovars, balalaikas, vodka, doused with beetroot concentrate, which symbolized the blood of Ukrainians. There was also an actor in the role of a Ukrainian prisoner in a cage near them. He was blindfolded and chained. During the performance, an allegedly Russian ballerina danced to Swan Lake, whose husband kills Ukrainians according to the plot, and she believes that culture is outside of politics. There was also a girl with a blue-yellow flag, in a dress with inscriptions of Ukrainian cities that were most affected by the aggression of the Russian Federation. She covered her ears listening to Russian music.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.